When confronted with errors on opening a model, quite often it's tempting to actually delete the actual geometry that's causing the problem. But often this can be resolved by a quick fix and a good understanding of the actual error. In this case, we've got two errors, both telling us the same thing, and it's really pointing to the fact that the actual sketch contains dimensions or relations to model geometry which no longer exist. Now we've got two options. We can delete the dangling sketch entities, which quite often people do, and then re-add the dimensions or dangling sketch entities, or we can edit the model to restore the missing model geometry. In our case, we're going to edit the model to restore that missing model geometry. So we're going to close this dialog box, we're going to go to our first error, and we're actually just going to edit the actual sketch. Now on opening, you can see that the problem is actually just in the dimensions. Now all we need to do really is just reattach these dimensions, because that's all that's missing, the attachment point. Now if we click on any of the dimensions, what we will get is a red drag handle, and basically all SolidWorks wants us to do is actually reattach this drag handle onto missing model geometry. And here we go, we just select the top edge and that dimension is now attached. Same with the second one, drag the red drag handle onto the geometry, and again that's now attached. We can change these if we wish to, just to position them, but basically that's our first error fixed. Okay, we now need to look at our second error, so all we're going to do is close our dialog box, let's again go into the actual sketch itself, we'll go normal 2, and we can see that the dimension again is in the dangling colour, and if we click on it you can see that we get the red drag handle. All we require is to click on the red drag handle and attach it to the bottom edge, and you can see now that's fixed, and we can exit our sketch and our model is now fixed.